Hello, welcome back to Ready Controls. You have seen how to install and configure Ignition SCADA. In this video, we're going to configure the driver which will make Ignition communicate with the CompactLogix PLC. We will now configure the driver to communicate with this PLC, which is a CompactLogix L24ER. Now we launch the gateway. I know the IP address of my PC, so I'm using 192.168.1.99:8088 and launching the gateway. Once the gateway is launched in, we're going to reset the trial, which will give us 2 hours of runtime. Now we go to home and show you how to navigate creating a driver. So all we need to do is go to the config tab, and in the config tab we go all the way down to device connections, OPC UA device connections. And in the device connections, we go ahead and create a new device. They already have a device simulator which has a bunch of tags that can be used for simulation, but we use create new device. And in this OPC UA device configuration, you have the selection. By default it says legacy, which is for any PLCs which have a firmware less than version 20. I'm using a CompactLogix PLC which has version 35, so I'm going to use this driver, Allen Bradley Logix driver, which is used to connect to all Allen Bradley Logix family devices with firmware 21 and above. And we select that one and hit next on the bottom, and we just call it we just say CompactLogix PLC, and we just give it a my PLC, and the host name is where you give in the IP address. The IP address of this PLC is 192.168.1.10, and that's the only setting we need. By default, port is 44818. You don't need to change any one of them. You could see the advanced properties, which gives us the identity request frequency and SIP connection size. We don't worry about them right now, so we go ahead and create new device. Ignition will create this new device. Now you could see the CompactLogix PLC is the status is connected. That means now that this CompactLogix PLC is connected to the Ignition, and Ignition uses this CompactLogix_PLC as a device connection. I wanted to show in this video. In the next video, we're going to create the first display with some LED lights and push buttons. I have already a video on this one, but that old video has poor audio quality, so I'm making this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe this channel. Thank you. The next video, the link to the previous video will appear on the